Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of accounting software and exploring a term you might have come across, SSO. But what does SSO actually mean, and why is it important for accounting software users? In this video, we'll break down the concept, explain how it works, and show you why it's become a standard feature in modern accounting platforms. Let's start by understanding what SSO stands for and why it matters in the context of digital accounting solutions. SSO stands for Single Sign-On. It's a user authentication process that allows someone to access multiple applications with just one set of login credentials. Instead of remembering different usernames and passwords for each software tool, users can log in once and gain access to all connected systems. In accounting software, SSO streamlines the login process, making it faster and more secure for users who need to work across various financial tools and platforms. So, why is SSO such a big deal in accounting software? For starters, it saves time. Accountants and finance professionals often use several applications daily, from bookkeeping tools to payroll systems. With SSO, they only need to log in once, reducing the hassle of managing multiple passwords. This not only boosts productivity, but also minimizes the risk of password fatigue, which can lead to security lapses. Let's look at how SSO actually functions. When you log into your accounting software using SSO, the system verifies your identity through a central authentication service. Once authenticated, you're granted access to all linked applications without needing to log in again. This seamless process is made possible by secure protocols that ensure your credentials are protected and only shared with authorized systems. Security is a top priority in accounting software, and SSO plays a significant role here. By reducing the number of passwords users need to remember, SSO lowers the chances of weak or reused passwords. Centralized authentication also allows IT teams to enforce stronger security measures, such as multi-factor authentication, making unauthorized access much harder. One of the biggest advantages of SSO in accounting software is the improved user experience. Users no longer face interruptions from frequent logins or password resets. This smooth workflow means accountants can focus more on their tasks and less on administrative hurdles, leading to greater job satisfaction and efficiency. SSO enables centralized access control, which is especially valuable for organizations with many users. Administrators can easily manage who has access to which applications, granting or revoking permissions from a single dashboard. This centralized approach simplifies user management and ensures that only authorized personnel can access sensitive financial data. For accounting firms and businesses, compliance with regulations is crucial. SSO helps by providing clear audit trails of user activity. Every login and access attempt is logged, making it easier to track who accessed what and when. This transparency supports compliance with industry standards and helps organizations prepare for audits. Implementing SSO can significantly reduce the workload for IT departments. With fewer password reset requests and centralized user management, IT teams can focus on more strategic tasks. This efficiency not only saves time, but also reduces operational costs for the organization. Modern accounting software often operates in the cloud. SSO is designed to integrate seamlessly with cloud-based services, allowing users to access their accounting tools from anywhere with a single login. This flexibility supports remote work and ensures that teams can stay productive no matter where they are. With the rise of mobile accounting apps, SSO ensures that users can securely access their financial data from smartphones and tablets. Whether in the office or on the go, a single login provides consistent access across all devices, maintaining both convenience and security. SSO systems often support multi-factor authentication, MFA, adding an extra layer of security. With MFA, users must provide additional verification, such as a code sent to their phone, before gaining access. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to breach the system, protecting sensitive accounting data. SSO simplifies the process of adding or removing users from accounting software. When an employee joins or leaves, administrators can quickly grant or revoke access through the central system. This reduces the risk of former employees retaining access to sensitive information and ensures that only current staff can use the software. Remembering multiple passwords can be exhausting and often leads to risky behaviors like writing them down or reusing the same password. SSO eliminates this problem by allowing users to remember just one strong password, reducing the likelihood of security breaches caused by weak password practices. With SSO, organizations can enforce consistent access policies across all accounting applications. This means that security standards, such as password complexity and session timeouts, are uniformly applied, reducing the risk of gaps in protection and ensuring compliance with internal policies. New employees can get started faster with SSO. Instead of waiting for multiple accounts to be set up and learning different login procedures, they receive a single set of credentials. This streamlines the onboarding process and helps new team members become productive more quickly. Managing multiple passwords increases the risk of mistakes, such as entering the wrong password or locking oneself out of an account. SSO reduces these errors by consolidating authentication, making it easier for users to access their tools without unnecessary frustration or downtime. As remote work becomes more common, SSO provides a secure and convenient way for distributed teams to access accounting software. No matter where employees are located, they can log in securely and get to work without the hassle of managing multiple credentials. Many accounting software vendors now offer SSO integration, allowing their platforms to connect with popular identity providers like Google, Microsoft, or Okta. This compatibility ensures that organizations can use their preferred authentication systems while benefiting from the convenience and security of SSO. Frequent password changes and multiple accounts can lead to users being locked out of their systems. SSO minimizes this risk by centralizing authentication, making it less likely for users to forget their credentials or get locked out, which keeps business operations running smoothly. Imagine logging into your accounting software in the morning and instantly gaining access to your bookkeeping, invoicing, and payroll tools, all with one login. That's the power of SSO in practice. It's a simple change that makes a big difference in daily workflows, saving time and reducing frustration. Data privacy is a major concern in accounting. SSO helps protect sensitive information by ensuring that only authorized users can access financial data. Centralized authentication also makes it easier to monitor and control who has access, supporting privacy policies and regulatory requirements. Phishing attacks often target users by tricking them into revealing their passwords. With SSO, users only enter their credentials on trusted, centralized login pages, reducing the risk of falling for phishing scams and keeping organizational data safer. Implementing SSO can lead to cost savings for organizations. By reducing the number of password-related support requests and streamlining user management, companies can lower their IT expenses and allocate resources to more strategic initiatives. As organizations grow, managing user access becomes more complex. SSO scales easily, allowing businesses to add new users and applications without increasing administrative burden. This scalability makes SSO a smart choice for both small businesses and large enterprises. Employees appreciate the convenience of SSO. With fewer passwords to remember and less time spent on login issues, user satisfaction increases. Happy employees are more productive and less likely to make mistakes that could compromise security. Many accounting platforms integrate with third-party apps for tasks like expense management or reporting. SSO ensures that users can access these connected apps without separate logins, creating a unified experience across the entire financial ecosystem. In the event of a security incident or disaster, SSO makes it easier to quickly revoke access to all systems. This rapid response capability helps organizations contain threats and protect sensitive accounting data from unauthorized access. SSO systems often provide detailed analytics on user activity. Organizations can monitor login patterns, detect unusual behavior, and generate reports for compliance or security reviews. These insights help improve both security and operational efficiency. While SSO offers many benefits, it's not without challenges. If the central authentication service goes down, users may lose access to all connected applications. Organizations must ensure high availability and robust backup systems to minimize downtime and maintain business continuity. Selecting the right SSO solution for your accounting software depends on your organization's needs. Consider factors like compatibility with existing systems, security features, ease of integration, and vendor support. A well-chosen SSO solution can make a significant difference in both security and user experience. Rolling out SSO in an organization involves planning and coordination. IT teams need to configure the authentication system, integrate it with accounting software, and train users on the new login process. Clear communication and support are key to a smooth transition. Training users on SSO is essential for a successful implementation. Employees should understand how to log in, what to do if they forget their password, and how to use any additional security features like multi-factor authentication. Well-informed users are more likely to embrace the new system. After implementing SSO, ongoing monitoring and maintenance are crucial. IT teams should regularly review access logs, update security settings, and ensure that the system remains compatible with new software updates. Proactive management helps maintain security and reliability. The future of SSO in accounting software looks promising. As technology evolves, we can expect even tighter integration with cloud services, advanced security features, and smarter user analytics. Staying updated with these trends will help organizations maximize the benefits of SSO. Let's consider a case study. A mid-sized accounting firm implemented SSO across its software suite. The result? Employees reported faster access, fewer password issues, and improved security. IT support tickets dropped, and the firm passed its compliance audit with ease, demonstrating the real-world value of SSO. User feedback on SSO is overwhelmingly positive. Most employees appreciate the convenience and security improvements. Organizations that listen to user feedback can further refine their SSO implementation, ensuring it meets the needs of all stakeholders. Despite its many advantages, SSO does have potential drawbacks. If a user's credentials are compromised, an attacker could gain access to multiple systems. That's why it's essential to pair SSO with strong security practices, such as regular password updates and multi-factor authentication. To get the most from SSO, organizations should follow best practices, enforce strong password policies, enable multi-factor authentication, regularly review user access, and provide ongoing training. These steps help maximize security and ensure a smooth user experience. Small businesses can benefit from SSO just as much as large enterprises. With limited IT resources, SSO simplifies user management and enhances security, allowing small teams to focus on their core business activities without worrying about complex login processes. Large enterprises often have complex IT environments with many applications. SSO provides a scalable solution for managing access across the organization, supporting thousands of users, and ensuring consistent security policies throughout the enterprise. Many industries, including accounting, are subject to strict regulatory requirements regarding data access and security. SSO helps organizations meet these requirements by providing centralized control, detailed audit logs, and support for advanced security features. As more accounting software moves to the cloud, SSO becomes even more valuable. It provides a secure, unified login experience for cloud-based applications, supporting organizations as they transition from on-premises to cloud environments. To sum up, SSO in accounting software offers a range of benefits: streamlined access, improved security, reduced IT workload, and better compliance. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, SSO can help you manage user access efficiently and securely. In conclusion, SSO is a powerful tool in the world of accounting software. By simplifying authentication and enhancing security, it empowers organizations to work more efficiently and securely. As technology continues to evolve, SSO will remain a key feature for any organization looking to protect its financial data and streamline operations.